Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Coinbase business account. To begin, you'll want to understand the specific advantages a business account offers, such as enhanced security and dedicated support. It's crucial to prepare all your necessary business documents beforehand to streamline the application process. This preparation will save you time and ensure a smooth experience as you move through the steps. Let's dive into the details of getting your business set up. Before applying, confirm your business operates in a supported region, as Coinbase has specific geographic requirements. You will need to provide official documentation, such as your certificate of incorporation or business license, to verify your legal entity. Additionally, personal identification for all individuals with 25% or more ownership, or those in control, is mandatory. This ensures compliance and security for all users on the platform. The application process begins by visiting the dedicated Coinbase Business Sign-up portal. You'll then meticulously fill out the online form, providing details about your company, its operations, and key personnel. It's vital to double-check all entries for accuracy to prevent delays. Finally, securely upload all the supporting documents you gathered earlier, ensuring they are clear and legible for review by the compliance team. After submitting your application, Coinbase will review your information and documents, a process that typically takes several business days. Be prepared to respond quickly if the team requests any further details or clarifications to complete their verification. Once approved, you will receive a confirmation, and your Coinbase business account will be fully activated, ready for you to begin managing your cryptocurrency transactions securely and efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.